jury, the defendant, and all counsel. Ladies and gentlemen, I understand you have reached a verdict. The verdict form has been handed to the bailiff. Please come forward. The clerk will read and record the verdict.
The State of Arizona versus Jodi and Arias, verdict, count 1. We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn, in the above entitled action, upon our oaths, do find the defendant as to count 1, first-degree murder, guilty. 5 jurors find premeditated, 0 find felony murder, 7 find both premeditated and felony. Signed, foreperson. Is this your true verdict, so say you want it all?
Ladies and gentlemen, the clerk is now going to ask each of you a question. Please answer yes or no.
Juror number 1, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 2, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 3, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 4, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 6, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 7, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 9, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 12, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 13, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 14, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 16, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 18, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next phase of the trial will begin tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Please be here at 12:45. Between now and then, the admonition continues to apply. Do not speak about this case. Do not view any media about this case. Are there any questions? You are excused.
Please stand for the jury.
Counsel, please approach.
There is a verdict. Guilty on murder 1. 5 voted for premeditated murder. 7 both premeditated and felony murder. This same seated jury is now going into aggravation phase. There you can see Travis Alexander's family crying tears of joy and embracing each other that justice has been rendered in a court of law. Arias sitting stoically, her nose reddened, her eyes brimming as that verdict is read. She watched as the jurors were polled, each one asking, as we told you, is this your verdict? There you see the family of Travis Alexander breaking down in tears that this ordeal is nearly over. In that courtroom, Martinez there standing in front of the family, Detective Flores with his children and his wife with him, supporting him, also in that courtroom. It's all set to start up again tomorrow morning with the same 12 jurors, which benefits the state. Everyone, a verdict of murder 1 guilty has been rendered by this Arizona jury. And what a dichotomy. I could hear in my ear the quietness of the courtroom as the verdict was read, and then right behind me the cheers of a crowd that is amassed in support of Travis Alexander and in support of our system. cheering as the verdict was announced. Repeat, guilty. Guilty of murder 1 in the death, the slaughter of unarmed Travis Alexander. Straight out to Jane Velez. Jane, you're in front of the courthouse. What's happening?
Well, the mood here, cheers erupted as soon as the word came down. And Melody, you are a Mormon, and you are leading the cheers. Justice for Travis, your reaction to the guilty verdict?
Elated. Elated. You know, one word, elated. I am so thankful that the jury was able to take this deliberation seriously. I figured they were out enough time to go over all the evidence, that they really listened to, the testimony, looked over all the evidence. I feel they were out enough time to do that. And I am grateful that they returned with the verdict of murder 1. I feel like Jodi absolutely deserves that.
Do most of the folks here agree with this?
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
What did you say, Mel?
Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus. A lot of people here have said they've been praying for this verdict. Sean Alexander, a dear friend of the victim, Travis Alexander. There are tears in your eyes. Why?
Well, we finally got justice. It's been 5 years coming, so I'm surprised I got emotional. I didn't expect it, so it's amazing. My heart goes out to the family and everybody else, and I'm so happy we're finally going to get some peace from this.
As you ponder this, and you know the family, and you know all the people who loved Travis, who were mentored by Travis, what do you think it does to them emotionally? Does it in any way erase some of the pain?
Well, yeah, obviously, you're going to feel a little bit better, obviously, knowing that, even though he's dead and he won't be here, I hope that we did enough to explain who he was, and maybe that'll live on. Maybe people will realize who he really was versus the monster that she drew him out to be. So it'll be nice to finally get some justice with that. I know I feel a little more peace, so it'll be nice. I'm sure that they feel it too.
I know you hit the nail on the head, is that so many people here were so offended by the defense, Nancy, and that is why, one of the many reasons why they cheered this conviction. Back to you.
With me outside the courthouse is Jane Velez Mitchell, and in stark contrast to the crowd outside the courthouse cheering at the announcement of the verdict, inside the courtroom it was quiet, completely quiet as that verdict was read.